best opportunity for this
Yeah,
for our area?
I think it's a Warren Buffett saying, it's be wary when others are greedy and be greedy when others are wary. And an old boss of mine who was a funny Polish man, who still is a funny Polish man, but he's not my boss anymore. But he used to say, when a market's really hot, it's when you burn your ass. So we try and get in before the market's hot, and it's proven to work really well.
Yeah. So with the property price, even though they haven't gone up a lot since COVID, they're sort of stagnated, and obviously construction costs have come up somewhat. Where do you find the best opportunities in the market? And again, traditionally it was more the house and land stuff, and I think people have to look away from that. So what we're doing here is built to grow. A lot of our clients are investors and trying to look not only long-term capital growth, but getting that cash flow. So like student accommodation, NDIS, co-living, that's what we're doing. And I think Matt can sort of...
Yeah, we always look for areas like I do have a specific strategy. I'm looking for areas that are positioned in a certain way from a supply and demand standpoint. So it's called the urban sprawl, not to get too technical, but trying to go into areas that we know are going to fill up as far as the amount of land that's available within a certain period of time, maybe 5 years, 10 years. Because once that area fills, we know that it's going to diminish in supply, so it has to almost go up from a value standpoint. And that's on top of the market just performing how it will perform anyway. So if we can get properties, in the new build space that generate a strong cash flow, ideally we're buying them at or below the median house price in that area as well. We're pretty confident that it's going to do well for people.
Yeah.
So maybe not overnight, but the longer, you can do pretty well.